Hello guys, so in this video I'll be talking about the subscript versus the pointer notation in C, and we'll just look at the parallels in terms of using subscript versus the pointer notation. So that is subscript versus pointer notation in C++. Okay, so if you have an array, in this scenario here, I have an array int um, a of 3 equals to 100, 200, 300, right? Now the first element will be a of 0, and that is 100. Second element is a of 1, which is 200. Third element, which is a of 2, is 300. And that is what I'm explaining here, right? Um, Here, all right? So I'm showing that a of 0 is 100, a of 1 is 200, a of 2 is 300. So this is a subscript notation. Now, if I want to get the pointer notation, instead of writing a of 0, how do I do this using pointers? Now, you would have learned or know from other videos or books, whatever, that if you define an array, if you declare an array here with the name A is the base address of the array, and it points is the address of the first element in the array. So the address of where 100 is stored would be A. Now I'm just putting plus 0 here. That's the first element. So I'm putting A plus 0. This here is the address, right? Now, if I dereference this address, I'll get the contents of what is stored in A, which will be 100. And that is what is being done here, right? By using this asterisk, I'm dereferencing the address so I can get the contents. Now, because we are dealing with integers here, so whatever is the address at this point, the next address would be the original address plus 4 bytes, because we're dealing with integers here, right? And the same goes here. This will be, if this is 100, this is going to be 104, this is going to be 108. Okay, now we're not interested here in addresses. We are looking at the actual values, but the addresses are actually important in terms of understanding how we get into the content. So to get the second value here, which is a of 1, it's like saying a, the base address, plus 1, and 1 in the pointer notation here is the memory allocated for 4 bytes, right? So a plus 1 will give me the address at this location. Then I dereference this address and I get 200, which is what I have here. And it's the same here. A of 2 dereference will give me 300. So A of 2 in subscript notation is equivalent to A plus 2 asterisk will give me the same value. So we can have a rule: A of I is the same as A plus I, right? Asterisk, that's equivalency. Now A plus I is the same as I plus A. So this, you can also have I of A here, and you'll get the same answer. right? So we'll just take a look at this in code now to see that this works. So let's go to the code. Code is here. So give me a moment. So I'm gonna compile the code. Array tree dot c minus o arr 3 arr of 3. So what I'm doing here, let's go through the code here now. So in the code, I have utilized an array here. The name is not a but arr. So I would have written int arr of 3 is equals to 100, 200, 300. All right. Now you can see that asterisk of arr plus 0 is equals to 100, and arr of 0 is also equals to 100. This is actually proving the point that arr plus I asterisk is equivalent to arr of I. All right. So this rule here, either you can memorize it or you can reason it and understand it, how to actually move a pointer and dereference it, and you can generate back the rule. So this is all I wanted to explain in this video. Please subscribe to my channel Spectrum 1844 for more videos on C and C programming. And you guys have a great night. This is all for now. Bye.